everyone, welcome back to this free Figma course for complete beginners. My name is Ines, I'm a principal product designer and a hiring manager with 16 years of experience. If you've missed the previous lessons of this course, go to my YouTube channel and watch them. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to mask objects in Figma. We use masking a lot in the user interface design, especially in the situations like that when we have a profile picture that we want to be in the round shape. And I can show you all the ways how you can mask the object like that. Let's see what options you might have. The standard situation for the profile picture design is when you have your picture in place and you have an object you want it to be placed. And the first option is to copy the picture and paste it as a fill in the ellipse. You can do that by using the shortcut you see on the screen. It's Option Command C, and then you place it through the Option Command V to your ellipse object. This way you will see that the fill of the object is now set to image. And you can do all sorts of things with this image. You can crop the image inside, you can fit the image. This is basically change nothing. This changes nothing. You can set the image as a tile and you can control it from here. All sorts of options. You can also upload the image from the computer right away or switch back to the fill. This is the option number one and it's very convenient, but it only works with pictures. If you have a group of objects, auto layouts, what's not, you cannot use this method. For this situation, you will have an option number two. And with this option, you can place anything within a mask. In order for you to use this option, you need to remember one thing, that the masking area should always be below the objects that you want to mask. And in order for you to set this object as a mask, you just need to right-click and choose Use as a Mask. And you see how it works. The object right now is masked, as in the previous example, but only if now we will wrap this picture to the frame or to switch it on to the auto layout, it will still be masked. I want to mention here one best practice that I personally use all the time. I make sure that the objects that I'm masking and the mask itself are explicitly grouped or placed into frame. Because in this situation, anything that I will place in the frame will be masked when they reach the area of the mask. And this is not always convenient, but if I will group them together or place them in the frame, we had a lesson, by the way, on the groupings options that you have in Figma, then I can continue building my designs and adding objects without interruptions with the mask. And this is it. Masking in Figma is really not that complex and you will use them a lot and master them in no time. Just really one thing to mind here is that the object that you want to use as a mask should be always placed below the objects that you want to place inside of the mask. I hope you liked this lesson, and if you plan to continue learning Figma, hit the subscribe button down below and click the bell. This way you will get a notification when a new lesson comes out, and I see you next time.